This is a sample make of my next sewing pattern release. Follow me over the next few days. Do you remember this? 4 years ago I made plans to use up fabric I had stored away for far too long. What a wasted resource! Well, I made the frock coat from the Furnishing Brocade. You can download this pattern. I made the boxy jacket from my scant 1 metre of Harris tweed. You can download this pattern, but I never got around to this lovely loose weave bold check. I was thinking at the time of a big coat or jacket with a generous shawl collar. But looking at this fabric again, I think it will be too overwhelming. So, to bring you up to date, I'm currently developing a raglan sleeve jacket with a storm collar. The storm collar buttoned up will look like this. I'll make it 3/4 length or a little shorter, deep raglan sleeves for comfort, welt pockets at hip line, probably a plain cuff, you could have a button. And I'll look out for some nice big, maybe wooden buttons. I need to make a prototype, and this fabric will do. I've got to the stage when I just want to get this yardage made up. The storm collar converts to a nice open style that looks good with the polo neck. A jacket like this goes really well with jeans or a pencil skirt. In the 60s, we used to call this car coat length. I bought this fabric from Fabricland UK very many years ago. I'm looking forward to making and wearing this jacket. I think cutting this bold weave on the cross will give added interest. I hope the pattern fits across the width. I already have lining that will go well. I'll use this lightweight non-woven interfacing. I want to avoid making this fabric in any way stiff. I'll probably interface just the collar, button band and cuffs, and the pocket welts of course. These buttons may do, but I would prefer something bigger. I have printed the prototype pattern and I'm ready to cut out. Check out my range of sewing patterns. The pattern may already be available when you view this video. I have 3 meters. Should I use the right side or the wrong side? Both are equally interesting. A difficult one. I shall be cutting out tomorrow, so check on my progress. This is a sample make in preparation for the final pattern. Join AngelaCain.com for all patterns and tutorials, or purchase patterns individually. Check out the sewing pattern page on AngelaCain.com. Thank you for watching.